The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has pledged its readiness to work with the Nigerian Immigration Service (NIS) to ensure smooth issuance of visas to its foreign students. The founder and chairman governing council of the university, Professor Prof Gwarzo, made the pledge when the newly appointed Comptroller of Immigration Kano State Command, Ahmed Dauda Bagari, paid him a courtesy visit on Thursday, the 14th of August 2023. He said there was need for the university to liaise with the immigration service because MAAUN is an international university that gives admission to foreign students from other countries of the world. Our university is an international institution which gives admission to foreign students. We have students from Niger Republic, Chad, Gabon, and other countries. So we need to liaise with the Nigerian Immigration Service in the interest of our foreign students, Professor Gwarzo said. Earlier, the Comptroller of the Immigration Kano State Command, Ahmed Dauda Bagari, assured the university of the command's preparedness to strengthen the relationship that has been in existence between the founder of the university and NIS. He said the university would be accorded the necessary attention it deserves in order to attract more foreign students with a view to promoting research and innovation for academic excellence. The immigration boss, who described Professor Gwarzo as a pace-setter and great philanthropist, commended his giant stride in education by single-handedly establishing 4 private universities. We shall leave no stone unturned to ensure that our relationship is taken to a higher level for the future development of the university, Bagari said. The Comptroller, who presented a plaque to Professor Gwarzo for his outstanding contribution to human development through his various philanthropic services, was conducted round the newly constructed Tin Lecture Theatre named after former NUC Executive Secretary Professor Abubakar Adamu Rashid. Among the top management staff of the university present during the courtesy visit were the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Head of International Office of the University and Director Communication AAPU, among others.